Alright guys, welcome back for our final video in this series. What I'm going to be focusing on now is the teacher view of an assessment while the students are taking it. Because one of the really cool features of this Exittix program is that you can watch in real time the students' solutions and see what they're answering. You can even address them, stop the class in the middle of an assessment, address individual students, etc. So let's check it out. So what we're going to be doing is, this is an assessment that I designed for my graduate course. And in this assessment, what I've done is, you can see, we select the course. There's only one student registered, and that is myself. And I'm going to be taking the quiz on my iPhone, and you guys can see the score show up in real time. So let's check it out. So first of all, like I said, I've already assigned this assignment. I've made a video showing how you assign an assessment. This one I just set up as an exit. You can edit it if you would like. It brings up the same screen that we're used to. Like I said, the way we set it is, you set it to a class and make it visible. And then select the dates. And as you can see, I chose a very large date or set of dates. So that way, as my classmates start to answer the questions, it'll show up over those time. Which is nice because you can do it for a homework assignment. You can do it as a problem set for over a week if you wanted to. Pretty easy. Another nice thing that I forgot to mention in the first video is, look, here's a link to an assessment. So if you send out an email, you can have people link right to this assessment. They still have to register. They still have to type in username, password, all that stuff. They do not have to give an email address. All you need to do is just set up simply username, password, and name, possibly student number, based upon your discretion as a teacher. So we can save and close out of here. So, like I said, we're going to go into this assessment so you can see the teacher view of an assessment. It's loading up now. As I do that, what I'm going to be doing is opening up my phone to the assessment, and you'll see that no one has scored, and here's me down here. Right here. So you'll notice it's all in blue. There's 5 questions, all in blue. That means I have not answered any of them yet. So you'll notice I am starting I just click Start the Assessment. So now I'm in the assessment. You'll see I'm selecting the answer to the first one. I got the first one correct. You'll notice that it answered in real time. I moved on to the next question. I'll show you one example when the answer is wrong. So you see it shows up red. The difference between correct and incorrect. There's 2 more. As I'm answering these questions, like I said, you'll be able to see the correct answer. And you'll again notice here that I have my score and my color changing. And you see the average, the class average. Imagine when 10 kids are doing this at a time, you can see 10 responses going. You can see 10 students' names going through here. And hopefully when I have a larger group, I'll be able to show you guys a video of multiple students taking an assessment at one time. Then we have another one. So I just answered 4, and literally it pops up right there. And answer 4 was actually a free response. You'll see that the first one was multiple choice. Second was true, false. Third, again, multiple choice. When you have this little star here, that means the student typed in an answer. And I'll show you guys that after I answer this last question. So you see I just answered the next question. I have finished the test. It says 1 out of 1 complete. I have an 80% because I had 1 incorrect. So another nice thing is, as the student's going through it, as soon as they're finished, you can look at the questions here, see what they answered, and see their response. See which one's correct. Sadly, the downside of this, beyond, like I said, letting the students see their work, it is helpful in that sense. The only thing that I wish Exittix would do is make it so I could select myself and send myself a message. Like if I wanted to, let's say I saw a kid make a mistake on 2 of the same questions, I could send him a message through the site. It would pop up on his phone. Sadly, that has not come out yet. If you're interested in a tool that uses that, Formative, and I'll make sure, or Go Formative, I'll make sure I set up a link to that on my YouTube channel, and you guys can check out some of those tools as well. Well, I hope you guys got a lot out of this video, seeing what it looks like as a student takes and answers a question in real time. You got to see how the colors change as they get correct answers versus incorrect answers, and also look at the average as they approach it. All right, guys. Well, I'll be making some more videos using this, and like I said, hopefully I can do one where we have multiple students answering at the same time, so you can watch these types of graphs, all these displays, all these visuals come up in real time. And again, just I guess a little quick thing we can do is show the projector view of this. For those of you who did not see my other video, here we can see the distribution of the problems, and now I am completely random. Well, I hope you guys have enjoy this. Please make sure to check out my other videos, and thank you.